morning everyone, my name is Noura. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a comparison between two stylists. One of them claims that it will take your hair from wet to styled. But is it true, and how would it live up to Dyson Airwrap? We'll see. So for the hair part, I'll be doing my hair half with Dyson and the other half with the GHD new Duet Styler. My hair is not completely wet. Because it dried a little bit while I'm doing my makeup, I'll divide my hair in half. I wanted to say that I'm not affiliated with these products. Any products that you see, any book that I'm mentioning, any brush, any clothes, anything is something that bought with my own money. I do not work with companies, although I would love to at some point. But yeah, it's just my own opinions. So what I usually do to style my hair is that I divide my hair in 3 sections, and each section is divided into 2 again. So I divide the bottom 1/3 of my hair, and I use my fingers, very, very professional, you see. And then I tie my rest of the hair. I wanted to say that I'm not used to dealing with long hair, although I've been having long hair for the past 3 years since our marriage. Like I let my hair grow since our marriage in 2020, but before that I always rocked pixies or very, very short hair, and I do miss that. Like, look at how bad my hair looks, the ends of it, and I would love to cut it, but we'll see. First, I prepped my hair with Living Proof. I used K18 pH balancing shampoo, and followed that with Living Proof Restore, I think, repair conditioner. This used to be one of my favorite products, but after using Olaplex for almost a year and having my hair like brittle and not my regular hair, I switched to K18. I have to say that I liked how my hair felt after using the K18 shampoo and the leave-in conditioner. It irritated my scalp, so I cannot use it anymore. Every time I use it, even just at the end of my hair, it somehow irritates my scalp. So I said, don't even bother. So I went back to my Living Proof Restore leave-in conditioner. I mixed that with this one that I think they discontinued again. It's a blowout, a smooth blowout concentrate. I think they discontinued that and replaced it with a hair mist. I picked up from Sephora because I'm running low on both of these products, so these are new replacements. I mix all of this with just a little pump from Moroccan oil body serum. It's argan oil, and that saved my hair. I cannot tell you how good this stuff are. Expensive, yes, but if you want to restore your hair, I've been using it for the past 6 months, and I see an improvement. I mean, yes, it looks not good, but it was worse. I'll turn it on. There is a button here, you just turn it on. I have to say something though. On their website, they're saying that it styles your hair it takes it from wet to styled without hair damage. And then there is an asterisk, a star. I do not know how to pronounce stuff anymore. There is a star above without hair damage, and they're saying without hair damage compared to a stylist that takes it from wet to dry. So I wouldn't say that it doesn't damage the hair. It's hot. It gets very hot. You cannot touch it. I still need to use my glove, protective glove with it. You have to work with it in small sections. When I did it last time, it took me half an hour to finish. That's why I'm dreading this. It took me half an hour to just finish half of my hair. So let's see this time if it will take the same amount of time. Start it now. So I have to press the shine shot to change the setting. So here it is. Here, now it's ready. You see how flat? It's not giving me the vibe that it's not bad, but now 30 minutes, as I said, similar to last time. So it's not like the user doesn't know how to use it, or it was the first time for me. That's why it took longer. It took me the same 30 minutes. And the other factor is that you have to get a good result. You have to section the hair in a very thin sections. So when the iron clamps, you do not leave a marks where the clamp is. So the claim about fast results from wet to style, being fast is not in it. Being fast is out of the equation. Does it look nice? Yes, it does. Do I want it to be this flat? No. And I think it's my fault that I thought that a flat iron would actually take my hair similar to how it's styled with the round brush. I didn't do anything with the ends. I didn't roll them. I tried, but it didn't give me what I was looking for. So now with the iron, it's ready. And let's see. The other thing is that you cannot really take it very near to your scalp. It's hot. I'm tired. I think I'll just have some sections for you for demonstration, but this is taking me so long. Usually every section is rolled in its own with hairspray, but I wanted to show you the end result with this one. And then I'll do my hair quickly with Dyson Airwrap, and I'll come back and we'll compare. Did I stop the timer? No. So I showed you that the timer was 30 minutes and I'll reset the timer to 0. I forgot to take a screenshot. It's fine. I'll set the timer to 0. So 30 minutes for this side without the iron thing, because I couldn't be bothered, honestly. And then we'll see with the Dyson how it'll compare. GHD Duet Style 2-in-1 hot air is $519 Canadian dollars. Dyson Airwrap is $750 Canadian dollars. 749.99, like 750. If you would to get it now, the one that I have. Ridiculous amount of money, but so I'll start the timer now. So here you go. I have head in 14 minutes. I have to stop it. So less than 15 minutes. This is the side with Airwrap, and this is the side with GHD. And I am leaning more towards having GHD, having full hair done in half an hour is definitely a plus. I am not affiliated with any of these brands. Like any link in the description bar is something that I linked because I want to share my opinion with others. In addition to filming this video, it's not something that I'm benefiting from, bashing one brand over the other. It's just a personal preference. Some people would like the other one better. Hair types are different. You saw my hair when it was wet, it was curly, maybe C2, C3 and hair language. Like it's soft, but it's curly if I don't style it. All in all, both sides, now that I see them, both sides look nice. I don't have any complaints. But would I spend an hour doing my hair little section by little section by little section and then finish and do the whole shiny thing? No, I don't have time for that. I don't have time to style my hair, period. Whatever I'm doing here is just for you guys, and I only style my hair if there is an event or going out for an important date. Not every date I will style my hair. That was a long ramble for a stylist. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your support. I haven't had fun in a while, and filming these videos actually bringing more joy into my life. So thank you very much. Please subscribe, share, like. Let's appease the algorithm. Okay?